Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some sweatpants. So we're gonna go ahead and give these things a try here. They look nice and fit and good, so these are gonna be good ones for walking around in the winter or anything like that. I'm actually gonna take the tag off. There we go. And I have size large to give you an idea, and I'm just gonna put it on over my shorts. These are just some sweat shorts. So try it on. These are definitely the baggy style of sweatpants. So if you like the baggy legs, look at how big these legs are. I'm gonna aim you guys down a little bit so you can see it a little better. There we go. And so you can see it's got the baggy legs. It's got a good sized pocket. I can put my phone or something in there. Pretty easy. It's got a good ties here. Definitely big legs. Interesting, but nice and warm. I'm about 5'10", about 185 pounds or so. These fit me great. Lots of space, even with my shorts on underneath. So these are good. And they're nice and warm. I feel it. And inside, they're fuzzy inside. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. It's got that fuzzy stuff inside. And the way it looks here, it looks good. Oh, I noticed, and now it has a pocket in the back as well. So these are some good sweats. If you need some good heavy duty, these are some nice thick, good sweats. I would say these look great. They're 50% cotton, 50% polyester. And it looks like we can just wash them in the washer. So these are great. If you need some wide leg sweatpants, these are the ones. Thumbs up.